Ron from Happy Carpet Cleaners. Just doing a quick video. I was just going to do a quick vacuum of 2 rooms. The first room didn't do too bad. The second room, however, is sort of like a newer, that new polyester short shag. And like I said, it's just going to be a quick vacuum. Then you get into areas like this. And you just see it pouring in, and I just can't not take it out. Again, the power stroke is forward, not the backward. There, that's got pretty much all of it. This little small amounts coming in now compared to what it was coming in before. Even areas have gone over. There's still more there. You'll never get it all. But I can get enough that somebody coming into this place with allergies won't be affected. If you remove that soil load, I don't have to worry about it in the steam cleaning process. So that's my quick vacuuming. You imagine what the other guys do with their slow vacuuming. Anyway, onward and upward. Happy Carpet Cleaners, serving the South Vancouver Island out of Souk.